Hi everyone, welcome to Malaysia's home cooking. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make very super easy sago pudding with Gula Melaka or palm sugar. This is a very delicious Malaysian dessert that's super easy to serve at home. So we have here in front of us 400 grams of sago, 1 can or 400 ml of coconut cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of water or 250 ml of that, 300 grams of Gula Melaka or palm sugar, and 3 of the pandan leaf that's been tied into knot. You can get these two at the Asian supermarket. Same thing with the sago pudding. So let's get started. So firstly, we are going to boil a pot of water so that we can cook the sago. So heat up the pot of water, probably double the quantity, is about 800 ml to a liter of water. So we are just going to let that boil. So while that is boiling too, you need to think about what you're going to use. I'm going to use this tray here. I'm going to use the muffin tray to put in the sago pudding. You can actually use different small bowls, but I decided that I'm going to use this. This one got a removable bottom that I'm going to use to put the sago inside. So now the water is boiled. We are going to slowly put in the sago and just keep stirring so it doesn't stick. When you stir until it's translucent. So we're just going to keep stirring until it's all translucent, probably another 5 minutes. So keep stirring, see, it's nearly there. So now as you can see, the sago is all translucent now after about 20 minutes boiling. So now we're going to switch off the heat and we're going to rinse it under cold water. Pour the sago in. Cold water just to remove off the excess starch and to make the sago a bit firmer. Then we are just going to put it into the mold. You can use a small bowl. In this case I'm just using the muffin tray. So we're just going to fill all this up and we're going to put it in the fridge for up to 2 hours. Okay. So that it foams up in the fridge. So we are just going to carry on doing this until it's all finished. So now the sago pudding is all being poured into the muffin case, all ready to be put in the fridge. You can actually use muffin tray, mini muffin tray, or you can use a small bowl, whichever you have at home. So we're just going to chill this in the fridge for up to 2 hours. So now while the sago pudding is chilling in the fridge, we are going to boil the coconut cream with the salt. So in a pot, just pour in the coconut cream. Put in the salt. I'm just going to give it a stir. And let it boil. Once it's boiled, we're going to switch off the heat and let it cool down. So now we are going to switch off the heat and see the coconut cream is ready. So remove it out of the heat and let it cool down. Next we're going to add into another pot the Gula Melaka, 1 cup of water, and the pandan leaves. And we're just going to boil this on medium heat. Using a wooden spoon, just stir them until the Gula Melaka is all melted. So as you can see, the Gula Melaka is still melting, so we're just going to keep stirring until it's all melted. And then we can leave it aside to cool down. So as you can see now, the Gula Melaka is all melted. It smells so nice. So it's all melted. You can just switch off the heat and let it cool down. So now the Gula Melaka is cooled down. We are just going to transfer them to a bowl. And we're just going to leave it aside. Same thing for the coconut cream. So now the sago pudding is all chilled and it's all ready to be served. So to serve, we are just going to take it out slowly. As you can see, just push it out the tin, and lovely. Just do all the same. Push it out and straight into there. Push out gently. Put them here. Just looks amazing. And then we're just going to put some coconut cream on the top. Just a tablespoon each of coconut cream. Then just drizzle with the Gula Melaka on top. Lovely. Like it extra sweet, you can add more Gula Melaka. So here's our sago pudding ready to be served. Here is our super easy sago pudding with Gula Melaka or plum sugar. Very easy, delicious that you can make. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time. Enjoy!